How to use Instabridge app. Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Instabridge app step by step. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any important information. Let's get started. First, you need to install the Instabridge app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Once the installation is complete, you may notice that 3 apps appear on your screen. Don't worry, you only need Instabridge. The other apps are related to calling and the launcher provided by the app. Now, open the Instabridge app. After opening, the app will ask you to launch its launcher. It will also request some additional permissions, which you can allow or deny according to your preference. Once everything is set up, the main screen will open. The app also allows you to check your internet speed. Just select the Speed Test option to see how fast your connected Wi-Fi network is. If you want to connect to nearby Wi-Fi networks, you will see many available networks listed in the app. However, one downside of Instabridge is that it shows a lot of ads. Almost every action may display an advertisement. To view the password of a specific Wi-Fi network, tap on the Password option. An ad will appear, and after watching it for a few seconds, the Wi-Fi password will be shown. You can then copy and save the password for later use. When you open any specific Wi-Fi network, you'll get additional details such as its speed, distance from your location, and the last time it was active. You can also view the exact location of the Wi-Fi on the map. If you go to the Map section from the homepage, you'll see all nearby Wi-Fi networks displayed on a map. You can tap any network to view details or check its password by watching an ad. Some networks may work depending on how close you are to them, while others may require you to travel closer to the location. That's all about the Instabridge app and how to use it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.